Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the book exercise of the chapter one child, one teacher, one book, one pen. Okay, and this chapter has been extracted from the autobiography of I am Malala. Okay, and written by the Malala Yousafzai. And you have to know that as a young girl, Malala Yousafzai defined the Taliban in Pakistan and demanded that the girl be allowed to receive an education. She was shot in the head by the Taliban gunman in 2012 but survived. In 2014, she became the youngest person to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, so here is the book exercise, and the book exercise is one, and that is you can see at the page number 19. So tick the most appropriate option. So first statement is Malala says. First statement is Malala says we are just a wall's distance from the next house, but it feels miles away because. So why the Malala says such kind of the statement? So you have to see the option number D. They do not see their neighbors or meet them as they did in Swat. Okay, just like that they met many of the guests and neighbors in the Pakistan, but in the UK they do not see their neighbors or meet them as they did in Swat. Okay? Now second statement, Malala sits alone in her room doing a jigsaw puzzle because. So here the option will be option number C. There are no guests or visiting friends to spend time with. So she playing the jigsaw puzzles in her room. Okay, now next is, now look the option number 3. Malala teaches her fathers about. So what she teaches, now look the option number B. Not helping her mother thought he talks about women's right. Okay, so you have to tick the option number B. B is correct option of the third statement. Now look the fourth statement. You have to see the statement is some of the things from Swat seems like stories from a distant place to Malala's family because. So you have to tick the option number D. So much has happened to them since they left Swat. Okay, it is the option will be D. Okay, so come on, B exercise, work in a pair and answer the question. The question is what is a house arrest? Why does Malala says they felt they were under a kind of luxury house arrested in the UK? So you have to write down the answer of the question. I Now look, a house arrested in the state of being imprisoned in your own house. Malala says that she feels her family is under a kind of luxury house arrest. Okay, and even though they are living in a big house occupied with a modern facilities. Okay, and they feel restricted to compound. They are unable to socialize or spend a lot of time outside their house. There are not as many friends and home in Swat, neighbors visiting and spending time with them. Okay, they miss the sight and sound from there. So you have to put the full stop in the end of the sentence. And now next question is, when they arrived, they were all mysterious to her. What are they? To whom were they mysterious, and why were they mysterious? Okay, so here answer will be the modern appliances and facilities in their house in the UK were the mysterious. They were mysterious to Malala's mothers and family because they had never used such things. Okay, in the Pakistan they needed help with using oven, washing machines and TV. Okay, it's clear. Now the third, it is hard for him. What is hard for whom and why? Okay, it is the third question. So you have to see, leaving behind everything he worked for over 20 years, okay, and beginning a new life in the UK was hard for Malala's father. Back in Swat, there was the school he built. You have to improve the word. It will be BULT. Okay, here it will be BUILT, built. Okay, and which had about 1100 students and the 70 teachers, and where he was respected. He is often accused by some people of the causing his daughters to be shot at her, pushing her too much a advocate for the right to education. Okay, so you have to write down now. Exercise number C. How did life change for the Malala's family after they came to the UK work with us? So you have to write down two statement or one statement, one sentence, and it is the work for you. So I hope you have to do it. Now do look book exercise number D. Write the answer. So come on the question answer of the chapter. Question number 1. Why does Malala's father spend a lot of time going to conferences on the education? The answer will be Malala father attends conferences on education because he gets invited to speak about his experiences, and he had always been interested to advocating and encouraging education. He had been running a school with over 1100 students in the Swat Valley before he had to leave it behind. Okay. Now question number 2. Why did Malala's father think he was lucky? So you have to see here the question. The answer will be Malala's father thought he was lucky because people recognized him because of his daughters, and he was used to people being known because of their sons. Okay, many of the peoples known by her son or their son, but here is the Yusuf Malala's fathers known by her daughters. And now third question, what is the cause Malala wants to devote her life to? So here is the Malala wants to devote her life to fighting for education, especially for girls. Okay, so I hope you all understand. Now come on the book exercise number F. Here is the these phrases have an adjective and a noun. The adjective describes the noun that follow it. Make two new phrases by the replacing the adjective or the nouns in each phrase with a suitable word. Share your answer in class. So you have to see, here is the given one example, daunting experience. Okay, daunting experience means pleasant experience or daunting task. Okay, so such like you have to make a use the adjective words. Okay, these phrase have an adjective and nouns. The adjective describes the noun that follows it, and make two new phrases by the replacing the adjective. So here you can see some of the adjective word like eldest and child. So just like that you have to say that eldest brother. Okay, eldest brother, or you have to write down naughty, NAUGSTY, naughty child. Okay, so you have to see naughty and eldest both are the adjective word, and you have to create using a noun words. Clear? Now second is bubbling stream. So you have to write down here clear stream, clear stream. Okay, CLEAR, clear stream, and bubbling laugh laughter. Okay, bubbling laughter, clear stream and bubbling laughter. Clear. Now next is uh, distance and place. So you have to write down distant lands, distant lands, new place. Okay, you have to write for the place like a new place, and distance you have to write down lands, 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 distance lands. Okay, distance lands. Okay, now look the option number 4, and in the option number 4 you can take the word free and education. So you have to make a phrase like a free food. Okay, free food, and for education you have to write down good education, good education. So it will be the phrase. Okay, now option number 5, powerful weapon. So you have to write down powerful words. Okay, powerful words, use the adjective word powerful and then write words. Okay, and next is chemical weapon. Just like that you have to write down chemical weapons. You have to take the words from the. Okay, so I hope you all understand about that. Now come on, next exercise number G, and in this exercise you have to know that complete the sentences with each or am, and in the verb subject and verb agreement you have to use singular number for the singular number subject and plural number for the plural number subject. So here is the Malala, what is the singular number, so you have to use each. Okay, Malala is solving a puzzle, so in the blanks we have to use is. Okay, and the second, the audience listening to Malala, so you have to write down here is. Okay, the audience is listening to Malala. Now third is the people in the audience, the people in the audience, so in this bracket you have to fill are. Okay, are listening. Okay, the people in the audience are listening in Malala's. Now fourth option, all that he worked for is lost. Okay, you have to fill is. Okay, all that he worked for is lost. Now fifth option is he is. With the he we have to use is at a conferences. And in the sixth, conferences are a way to share ideas. Okay, now come on, book exercise number H, and you have to see here the poem. So read the poem carefully, and here is a summary of the poem. Some words have been used incorrectly, cross them out and write the correct word. Okay, so you can see my father I would likes. Okay, so here is not use the s in the likes, so you have to drop the s and write down here like. Okay, now like country to be free, it should be a land where people are. You have to use are. Okay, are not afraid but can lead, not will be leads, it will lead. Okay, remove the drop the s. Now next, lead life of dignity, the people will have pride in their nation and knows, drop the s and it will be know how to live, not lives. Okay, so drop the s. In peace and unity with their fellow citizen, it will be a place. Okay, now next, when ideas and feeling will not divide people into groups and make, so you have to drop s. Okay, and it will be make them and meet, where knowledge after the knowledge you have to use is. Okay, is not for a few but for everyone. And in the people will work, not it will be work, not works. Okay, so write down work, work hard and achieve perfection in all that they do. Not it will be does, it will be only do. Okay, where thinking is, you have to use is based on reason and not super status. Where the mind is, not use the or, it will be is guided by you into thought that lead, not leads to good for everyone. That is the kind of freedom my father that I want, not wants. Okay, for my country. Okay, so next we saw that book exercise number I. Divide the class into the two teams. The teacher give each team a charter from these pages. Each teach develop these into the sentences. The team win one up point and each correct sentence and two if they correct the other team answer. Okay, so you have to add some of the word and the. Okay, so I change into the sentence. So you have to see here, neither of these shirts. Okay, neither of these shirt fit me. Okay, you write down fit me. Now next is, each of the children is ready for school. Spelling of school SCHOOL. Okay. Now next is, both malaria and dengue are spread by the mosquitoes. Use the full stop. And hydrogen and oxygen are types of gases. Okay, types of gases. TYPES, types of gases. Now next is, my neighbors are very helpful. And the next, the bunch of key is missing. My friend and I are going to take a trip. Next is, the Prime Minister as well as her ministers are closely monitoring the situation. Okay, so I think all of you have to complete your book exercise, and this is the very inspirable chapter. So read it carefully and complete your book exercise, and also write the question answer by watching the video, and I will send the PDF of the chapter. So thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.